could take you up in paradise on a boat, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream, if I could take you up in paradise on a boat, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and home with me again. Oh,
what's going on, guys? You guys are watching Burning Rubber. My name is Vitaly, and this is my cousin Bogdan. And today he got a new car.
I did. I got the Audi S6. If you know anything about that, that is a V8 4.0 twin turbo.
Take a look. Here's what we got. All right, so he picked this car up on an auction. How much did you pay for this car?
I paid $12,700. That was the winning bid.
$12,700. That's a sweet deal. Now this car retails roughly around $40,000 for, like, you know, a clean title. This one actually, even though it's been hit, it's a clean title as well, which is awesome.
It does have a clean title, yeah.
So what kind of features does it have? How many miles on it?
So this car has 44,000 miles, which is not too bad for an Audi, and pretty reliable. I mean, we're only at 44.
Cool. Tell us something about the engine. What do you, what does it have?
Well, I mean, I picked the S4 or S6 for a reason. It's because it has the V8 4.0 twin turbo. And I didn't want to stick to the typical A6 3.0 turbo.
All right, so how many ponies do you got here?
I got between 420 to 450, they say.
450, wow.
Yeah.
So you plan on tuning it and doing it?
Oh yeah, with a simple tune APR that offers an extra 110 horsepower.
110, so what are we talking, like 550?
Yeah, about 550,
Wow,
600 bucks.
550 in this car, right?
550, 600 bucks, throw it in. That's your best bang for the buck. This thing will be an animal with that upgrade.
Nice. So where did you get this car from?
I got it from IA Auctions. They're nationwide. They have locations almost in every single state.
Okay.
They're an insurance auction that when someone gets into an accident, their vehicle is wrecked, insurance takes it, they post it on the auction. People like me and other people bid.
What state did it come from?
This was from Texas, Fort Worth, Texas.
So not too far from Denver.
770 miles away. And I paid $500 for shipping it here. So.
Okay. So we're going to show you some of the damage that it has. If you want to, Bogdan, explain what kind of damage and what do you think it's going to cost to repair it?
Yeah, so
just like, let's go with the body and mechanical.
Yeah, let's start off. The reason I think why it's clean title is because I just inspected the frame. We can see this crossbar here, the reinforcement bar. It is bent, of course, but all this takes, I looked over here where it attaches to the main frame. You just unbolt it. Yeah, that unbolts.
So this guy.
Yeah, that bar's not bent. It did not move at all. So the hit, it looks like it was a truck or some sort of high SUV. We could see the hit was up here and it bent the top part of the hood right here. So the hit is not too bad. I would guess the ballpark is around $4.5 to $6 grand, somewhere in that ballpark. Yeah,
it's not bad. All right.
Yeah,
cool. So what do you plan on breaking?
What else?
How much do you think it's going to turn out to be altogether total?
Altogether, I'd probably get it under 20 grand.
Under 20,000. Wow, that's a sweet deal, guys. This is a clean title, only 44,000 miles on it, S6, 550 horses. I mean, that's a sweet deal.
Come on inside. I'll show you guys the features. So just to start you guys off right here, on the door panel, you see all these presets right here. These are different settings. If you have a few people driving your car, you set your presets, your mirrors, your seats, the way you like them. Just press that button when you get in, it adjusts it to your preferences. And then it also has your blind spot sensors. The vehicle detects your blind spots and alerts you if someone is in your blind spot. What I really like about it when I got this car, the carbon fiber. We could see it, there's more of it inside here, but the carbon fiber also right here on the door panel. I really like that, gives it that sporty look.
Yeah.
After sitting in the seat for a few minutes, the seat's comfortable. It just kind of hugs you. Makes you feel in your natural position.
So what kind of damage do you got inside?
So inside is actually fairly clean. The only two things I have to do in here is, as you guys can see, the front airbag is deployed. I already found on eBay for about 350, 400 bucks. Then this one down here is another maybe 300 bucks. And then also my belt is blown, as we can see. The belt doesn't come back up.
So it's locked in the same position that it was.
Yep.
Okay.
So not too much inside, and after you replace the airbags, all you got to do is connect the computer and simply do an airbag reset.
Awesome. Sweet. So you're pretty satisfied with your purchase?
Oh yeah. What I really like is the back seats. They're so comfortable. You could easily fit someone who is 6 foot. I'm 6 foot, and I fit in the back seat just comfortably, which on my previous Lexus IS 300 or 350, that was a bit of an issue. There's not much room for leg room. You're trying to get your shoes underneath the seat, getting your seats all dirty. But
So what kind of upgrades you want to do?
yeah, so speaking more on the upgrade side, the plan is, since the front end is already damaged, one headlight is good, obviously, one is damaged. You don't want to mismatch, so what you want to do is maybe sell the one off on Craigslist, eBay, and buy 2 identical ones. I'm probably going to get the LED. As you can see, this is the HID ones. I like the LED look. I think it's more aggressive.
Okay. So
But
how much
then
do you know how much
also-
they cost, the LED looks?
I was looking for it for the pair. It's about $1,000, so.
$1,000 for 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Now how much do you know how much this one's worth, the HAD?
I have not, but they're approximately the same, so
Okay.
maybe like 400, 500 bucks. I can sell it for.
Cool.
And then I am planning to put on an RS6 bumper, since the RS6 is only available in Germany. I'm gonna order that. And
So what about the hood? Do you plan on repairing it, or are you gonna get a new one?
oh, definitely a new one. Yeah, yeah. There's
Why?
there's no need.
You don't
I
like
mean,
this?
and body shop costs. You'll be
mean, this-
spending.
It's a little bit
Yeah.
bent, you know.
I mean, we could probably just go like.
Just fix it right now.
Polish it up.
All right, so since this is a V8, this comes what? Supercharged, turbocharged. What does it have?
This is turbocharged, actually.
Do you know where they're located?
Yep, they're right here. So you pop off the engine cover, and I love the look of it. Pop off this heat sink.
Oh, there they are.
And they're right here.
Wow, those are tucked in real tight in between.
They're right there.
Wow,
Dead center.
dang, that's crazy. Wow, look at this.
It's a beautiful design.
Beautiful. Look at this. Not for kids. Warning. Don't touch. Okay. Let's hide those turbos. So nobody steals them.
Yep.
When this car repaired and all finished, what is your estimated time?
Depending on how quickly the parts come in and how fast the shop gets it quoted. But I'd guess they're not super busy right now, so for parts and to do the labor, I'd guess 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks at most, hopefully.
Well, guys, stay
Thanks for
tuned.
watching.
We're gonna show you maybe more videos of how it's being repaired.
Yeah.
The video of the final work, what it looks like, and then also we're gonna show you the performance of it, how it
Yeah.
handles, what we
excited.
can compare, you know, cars. It'd be cool.
Yeah. We're probably gonna do a video of the pre-tune and after the tune,
Absolutely.
so just that you see a difference.
Absolutely.
Stay tuned.